Hi, welcome to Zgadget Review. Amazon released their fourth gen Echo smart speaker line with a new redesign. Now they look like this. Yes, I have one right here. And I was thinking, instead of keeping it for myself, why not give it to one of you? So I came up with a little contest. Now, full disclosure, I will do an unboxing right now here in front of you. And this is the smart speaker that you're going to receive. I'm going to do a review on it. I'm going to use it for 2 to 3 days. It shouldn't take me that much longer than that to do the review. And then I will send it to you. So, yes, it will be lightly used, but I will pack it exactly as it came because I understand how important that is sometimes for people. If you want to be a part of the contest, this is what I'm thinking. As you know, this is a small channel, it's a channel that is growing. I am currently sitting at 63 subscribers, which I am very thankful for. I never thought I would have 63 subscribers. And I know, it's a small amount, but to me, it's huge accomplishment. So I need your help to continue growing the channel. I would like to get to 100 subscribers before the end of the year. And for this, I am going to give you an incentive. In this case, the incentive is going to be the Echo Dot. My hope is that you help me get to 100 subscribers before Christmas or by Christmas. My plan is to pick 3 different people. All you have to do to enter is put I want it in the comment section. So all you have to do is write I want it, and then you will be entered into the contest. Now, this is only going to be for the US because shipping internationally will cost a lot of money and I don't have a lot of money. So it's going to be for US only. Sorry for that. In the future, I will do something if there's anyone from out of the country so you can participate as well. But I would really appreciate it if you help me get to 100 subscribers. My hope is for you to be able to get this by Christmas or around Christmas so you can have it by then. So my plan originally was to have the contest run up to Christmas Day. So let's do like everybody does. So we'll do the 24th at midnight. So 24 11:59 p.m. will be the deadline to enter into the contest. The moment the channel hits 100, I will make a video where I pick the people. If it hasn't, then the contest will be done, and I guess I will keep the speaker for myself. So pretty much by the time that the channel hits 100, I will go ahead and do the raffle so you can get the speaker as soon as possible. If I haven't hit 100 by the 24th, then there's no contest. Hopefully that makes sense. I will have all this information in the description section so there's no confusion. All right, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the speaker. So there you go, 4th gen Echo Dot. Just keep in mind that the little corners are banged up, and that's not me, that's from the mail. I ordered this on Black Friday, and I just got it today. They took a long time to deliver this. And the moment I received it, I was like, okay, I got to do this video to get this out there, as soon as possible. So, oh, cool. So it has some instructions here. So you can see there, I guess, telling you to download the app and then to plug in your speaker. And here's the speaker. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Doesn't make sense for my head, next to my head. Oh, here we go. Mouse. Size comparison. I don't know if that makes sense. Trying here. You have the buttons up here. They feel, they're hard plastic. I thought they would be soft plastic for some reason, like rubbery. They kind of look like they will be rubbery, but they're not. And then you have your connections back here. So there you go, the new Echo Dot 4th gen. They were usually round like pucks. Now they made it into a bubble. And there's one more thing here. Oh, it's the power adapter. And then we have born information and I'm assuming instructions. So I will go ahead and pack this as it came. I will go ahead and, yes, do my best to wrap this plastic back around the way it is right now. I'm glad I'm doing a video on this because then I can use it as reference to put it back exactly as it came. But yeah, expect a review on the Echo Dot 4. Hopefully you help me get to 100 subscribers and you put your name down here in this video saying I want it to be able to be entered into the contest. You don't have to be a subscriber. You just need to help the channel get to 100 subscribers. So even better for you. All right, that's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching and participating.